Get ready to wander through colorful alleys, historic squares, and vibrant neighborhoods. In today's video, we're exploring the streets of Lisbon, one of Portugal's coolest and most charming cities. From its iconic yellow trams to its lively cafes and stunning viewpoints, Lisbon offers a perfect mix of old-world charm and modern energy you won't want to miss. Make sure to subscribe for more exciting travel adventures and insider guides from around the world. 10. Ride the iconic Tram 28. Hop aboard the legendary Tram 28 and prepare for a journey through time. These bright yellow vintage trams have been rattling through Lisbon's narrow, winding streets since the 1930s. The ride starts in the Bairro district, weaving its way through the historic neighborhoods of Grada, Alfama, and Estrela. The beauty of Tram 28 is how it turns the city itself into a moving museum. As you sit on the polished wooden benches and gaze out the open windows, you'll roll past grand cathedrals like the site of Lisbon, tiled townhouses, bustling local markets, and secret gardens. Early mornings or late evenings are the best times to avoid crowds and truly soak in the nostalgic magic. Every screech and rattle of the tram feels like Lisbon telling you its story. 9. Get lost in Alfama's winding alleys. Alfama is a living postcard from medieval Europe. Its maze of cobblestone streets was built long before cars were ever imagined. So forget the GPS. Here, getting lost is a cherished tradition. As you wander through Alfama, you'll pass homes decorated with colorful azulejos, ceramic tiles, balconies overflowing with flowers, and elderly locals chatting across windows. The scent of grilled sardines drifts from tiny family-run taverns, and in the evenings, the sorrowful sounds of Fado music fill the air. Take time to visit São Jorge Castle, perched above the neighborhood, for panoramic views that stretch all the way to the Atlantic. But don't rush. Alfama rewards slow discovery. Every worn stairway, every ivy-clad archway tells a story older than memory. 8. Marvel at the views from Miradouros. Few cities reward the casual wanderer with so many natural viewpoints. In Lisbon, climb almost any hill, and you're greeted with a Miradouro, a scenic overlook offering sweeping views of red rooftops, church spires, and the shimmering river. At Miradouro da Senhora do Monte, the highest in the city, the view stretches endlessly in every direction, particularly magical during sunset when the city turns golden. Miradouro de Santa Luzia, with its beautiful azulejo panels and fragrant bougainvillea, offers a more romantic, intimate scene perfect for lazy afternoon daydreaming. Grab a coffee, lean against the stone walls, and let Lisbon's skyline etch itself into your heart. 7. Explore the historic Belém district. Step into Portugal's age of discovery by exploring Belém, a riverside neighborhood where voyages that changed the world once began. Marvel at the intricate Gothic architecture of the Jerónimos Monastery, built to celebrate Vasco da Gama's voyage to India. Climb the Tower of Torre de Belém, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and imagine the explorers setting sail from these shores centuries ago. Don't forget to indulge at Pastéis de Belém, where the original recipe for the famous custard tart remains a closely guarded secret. The crispy, flaky layers giving way to creamy sweet custard are an experience in themselves, a pilgrimage for any foodie. Belém isn't just a district, it's a portal to Lisbon's proud maritime past. 6. Dive into Lisbon's vibrant street art. Lisbon wears its creativity on its sleeves and its walls. While some European cities confine art to galleries, Lisbon lets it spill into the streets. Stroll through neighborhoods like Moraria, Alcântara, and Bairro Alto, and you'll encounter sprawling murals, witty graffiti, and intricate installations. The walls themselves seem alive with color and commentary. At the LX Factory, an old industrial complex turned creative hub, every inch is filled with artistic energy, from towering murals to quirky design shops and hip cafes. In Lisbon, art isn't static. It breathes with the city, telling its evolving story one spray-painted heartbeat at a time. 5. Indulge in local flavors. Portugal's love affair with food is sincere and soul-deep. In Lisbon, every meal is a celebration of simplicity and flavor. Start with a steaming plate of bacalhau à Brás, salted cod tossed with eggs, potatoes, and onions. Sample fresh seafood at Mercado de Ribera. Savor a slow-cooked pork paifana sandwich. Or dive into a hearty bowl of caldo verde, the country's beloved green soup. And of course, cap every meal with a warm pastel de nata sprinkled with cinnamon and powdered sugar. Don't just dine, feast like a local, where conversation flows as easily as the vino verde. 4. Stroll the waterfront at Cais das Colunas. Where the Gran Praia do Comércio meets the Tagus River, two towering marble columns mark a serene, almost sacred spot, Cais das Colunas. Here, locals and travelers gather to sit on the steps, toes grazing the water, as ferries drift lazily across the river. Street performers play guitar in the background, while lovers and dreamers share quiet conversations under the open sky. As the sun dips lower, the light bathes everything in soft golden hues, turning even the everyday into poetry. Stay a while. Let the river winds clear your mind and reset your soul. 3. Discover Bairro Alto's nightlife. By day, Bairro Alto is a sleepy maze of narrow sunlit streets. But when the stars come out, it transforms into Lisbon's beating nightlife heart. Tiny bars throw open their doors, and the alleys flood with the sound of laughter, live music, and clinking glasses. It's a come-as-you-are kind of party. No velvet ropes, no dress codes, just pure, unfiltered energy. Find a cozy corner for live Fado, dance to pulsing beats in a packed club, or simply wander, drink in hand, through the bustling streets. In Bairro Alto, every night feels like an unexpected adventure. 2. Take a day trip to Sintra. Just a 40-minute train ride away, Sintra feels like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. Lush forests cloak whimsical palaces and misty castles, all perched dramatically atop craggy hills. Explore the candy-colored splendor of Palacio da Pina, stroll the enchanted gardens of Quinta da Regalera, with its underground tunnels and mysterious wells, or hike the ancient battlements of the Castelo dos Moros. Sintra isn't just a side trip, it's a doorway into wonder, a place where reality blurs and magic feels entirely possible. 1. Feel Lisbon's soul in the Fado houses. No visit to Lisbon is complete without feeling the city's deepest emotions through Fado. In tiny, dimly lit taverns of Alfama and Bairro Alto, singers pour their hearts into ballads of love, loss, and longing. The guitar strings weep and soar alongside the vocals, and for a few transcendent minutes, even if you don't understand the words, you'll understand the feeling. This is Lisbon's soul laid bare, beautiful, bittersweet, and profoundly human. Feel Lisbon's soul echo through the melancholic melodies of Fado houses. In dimly lit rooms, voices rise with raw emotion, telling tales of love, loss, and longing. This traditional music, born in Lisbon's heart, offers an intimate, unforgettable glimpse into the city's cultural depth and the spirit of its people. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.